This is a guide on replacing a screen on an Asus TUF FX506 laptop. For the replacement process, we need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver and a plastic pick. To begin, turn off the laptop. Remove 2 Phillips screws from the bottom corners of the bezel. Normally, the screws are covered with small round pieces of plastic, but in our case, they're missing. Using a plastic pick, pry off the bezel on the inner edge. Go around the perimeter, unsnapping the tabs underneath. Put the bezel aside. The screen on this model of laptop is supposed to be held in place with strips of adhesive, but in our case the adhesive has already been removed. So we just place the screen on the keyboard. Peel off the clear tape securing the video connector. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old screen. Place the new screen on the keyboard. Reconnect the video connector. Secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors, and make sure not to twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Now we can test the new screen. The screen is working, and we can finish the installation process. In order to secure the screen in the back cover, we're going to apply a set of adhesive strips, which you can buy on our site LaptopScreen.com. Using a microfiber cloth and alcohol, clean the sides of the screen and the back cover. Apply the adhesive strips. Lift the screen up, aligning it at the top edge. Make sure that the tabs stay loose at the top of the screen. Apply some pressure to catch the adhesive. Remove the protective film. Replace the bezel. Make sure that the video cable stays in place. Go around the perimeter, snapping tabs back in place. Replace 2 Phillips screws in the bottom corners. Replace the 2 plastic covers if present. Turn the laptop on, and we're done.